I will show you a website that can help you make money by just remaining at home. This website can pay you up to $1,000, which can be used to purchase a new phone, a new laptop, pay off debt, or go on a family trip. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Do you have an email account or do you regularly check your email inbox? I am referring to email accounts such as Google, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, and Outlook. If you answered yes, you are in luck because what I will teach you may earn you anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 by just opening and reading emails. There are no tricky steps, no technical skills or expertise required, and no hoops to jump through. Open the emails, read them, and you will earn money. The more emails you read, the more money you will make. Now, before I tell you the website's name, I want to explain to you how it works. Here are the 3 easy steps to earning money by reading emails online. The first step is to create a free account, which I will explain how to accomplish. Step number 2 is that you must read emails, and I will walk you through a real life example. And step number 3 is that you can get paid in PayPal money every single day. These are some of the features on this website that are very important to pay attention to now. First of all, you will receive daily delivered emails sent to your email inbox right here. They have a quick payment processing within 24 hours. You can receive your money, and they have a very low $15 payout limit, meaning once you reach the minimum threshold of $15, you can start cashing out your earnings. This is 100% free to join, and you don't have to pay any money or expenses. Once you activate your account, you can get $3 in sign-up bonus absolutely free. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button because this is very important. Make sure you don't miss out on the step to activate your account. I will show you how to do that right. On top of that, you can earn extra money by taking the daily paid service depending on your location. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you have these 2 things right here. First, you'll want to make sure that you have a PayPal account to receive your money. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, just go to paypal.com and click on this button right here to sign up for a free PayPal account. As you can see, you can join PayPal today for free. Just start with a personal account. And now number 2. I want to make sure that you have an email account, okay? Right there, I recommend that you get a Yahoo email account. When you go to Google and search for Yahoo, you can find the first link right here, which is Yahoo Mail. As you can see here, if you have a Yahoo Mail account, you can receive different paid emails and start making money online. Again, you can download this in your App Store if you're using an iPhone, or you can download this in your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Enter your first name, last name, and email address and complete the registration to get a free Yahoo email account. Otherwise, my second recommendation is to use a Gmail account. To do so, go to Google and search for Gmail and click on the first link right here. From there, you can come over to this page and click on this button right here to create a free account. Enter your first name, last name, and email address and complete the registration to get a free Gmail account. So right now, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me whether you have these 2 items. Okay, do you have a PayPal account? If so, comment down below. Do you have a Yahoo Mail or Gmail account? If so, comment down below. Now, if you have both of these things, you may start generating PayPal money online by just following the instructions in this video. If not, no worries, you can create a free Gmail or Yahoo account in about 2 minutes. Now that we've completed step 1, I'd like you to visit this website, paidtoreademails.com. Now, first and foremost, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account and how to get a $3 sign-up bonus for 100% free. So first and foremost, you're going to choose a gender, either female or male, and then you'll just have to put in your first name, email address, and password, and click on the sign up button as you can see here. Once you click on the sign up button, as you can see, you can sign up and get $3 in bonus. And moving on, just putting your zip code right here, and make sure you read the terms and conditions and agree to that, and that you're not a robot, you're just going to click on the sign up button, as simple as that. Now that you completed the previous step, you can go to this page and see thank you account activated, okay? Thank you, your paid to read email account is now active and your $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. Congratulations! As you can see over here in the right section, this is a brand new account and you can see your cash is actually $3. Now, if we go down below here, you can see these 3 methods to get rewarded for your online activities, such as cash surveys, which range from 50 cents to $1 every survey. And I will show you a secret technique where you can earn twice as much money, so stay tuned for that. All you have to do now is click on this button right here and you'll be sent to this page as seen here. As you can see here, there are 3 main categories. Number 1, your service, where you have unlimited surveys that you can do, right? The more surveys you do, the more you'll get paid. Number 2, opinion service, where you have a limit of 10 surveys per day. Number 3, Dynata surveys, where you have a limit of 10 surveys per day. So for example, if I click on the survey button right here, it will take me to this page where I can start taking surveys in as little as 1 or 2 minutes. It is actually very quick and I'm able to earn 50 cents by just doing that. So all you have to do is choose your gender, for example, male, and click on the get started button and choose your date of birth. I am not going to waste your time in this video. Now that you may credit money to your account after completing the surveys, I will offer you the first bonus tip for multiplying your profits on this website. First and foremost, make sure that every day when you log into your account, you complete all of the limited 10 surveys in the Dynata surveys category. Once you finish this category, you will be able to earn $4 because you completed 10 surveys at $4 each, which is 4 times more money. After that, you will be able to unlock unlimited higher paying services that will pay you $1, $2, or even $5 per survey. Now, after you've completed all of the cash surveys, you can go on to the cash offers as shown here. All you have to do is click on this button, which will lead you to this page as shown here. For the cash office, complete your surveys to earn 50 cents right now, then Dynata surveys to get another 40 cents. Hour is an additional source of revenue that you may make on this website. Moving on to the most exciting portion of this video, the last stream of money that you may get by just reading emails and clicking on the link in the email. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is click open to read the emails, and then right here you can click on the images or the button, which will take you to the website as you can see here, where you will follow the instructions. Okay, sometimes they'll give you instructions, but most of the time you just have to stay on the website and wait for at least 30 seconds. So basically, you can just scroll through the website and browse around and hover your mouse for 30 seconds to prove that you are a human and not a robot. You can do this on your phone or on your computer, and after 30 seconds, you will be able to receive your money and credit it to your account. So if I go back to my dashboard, you can see that the first $3 are for the sign-up bonus. And after it completes 1 email offer, I am able to earn 50 cents. So right now, I'm just going to click on another email that this website has sent me, and that will send me to a random email, which I won't have to worry about because I'll just have to read it, or click on the button on the photos that will take me to a random website. As you can see, I don't have to do anything other than stay here for 30 seconds, and then you'll be able to earn money and have it credited to your account. One very important thing to remember is to move around when you get to the website. As you can see, I just scroll down to the bottom and back up to the top. And that's all we're going to do, and just wait until the 30 seconds are up. And once you reach $15, you can cash out all of your earnings. One thing I do want to mention is that they do have a special referral program, as you can see here. When you click on the More button, you will be able to refer friends and you'll be able to earn even more money. You can now earn extra money by referring your friends. Right now, you can receive and credit 15% of all of your friends' earnings, which is completely free passive income. You don't have to do any work yourself, simply share this opportunity with your friends or other people, and you will receive 15% of their earnings as well. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.